ਮੈਟਰੋ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਬਜਟ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਅਹਿਮ ਯੋਜਨਾ ਰੱਖੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਤਹਿਤ 2019 'ਚ 110 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਲੰਬੀ ਮੈਟਰੋ ਲਾਈਨ ਵਿਛਾਈ ਜਾਵੇਗੀ। ਹਾਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ 650 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਹੀ ਮੈਟਰੋ ਲਾਈਨ ਬਣਾਈ ਗਈ ਹੈ।
The new metro rail projects for a total route length of 300 kilometers have been approved during 2018 and 19. Also, during 2019, about 210 kilometers metro lines have been operationalized. With this, 657 kilometers of metro rails network has become operational across the country. 657 kilometers. India's first indigenously developed payment ecosystem for transport based on National Common Mobility Card (NCMC) standards was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in March 2019. This will enable people to pay multiple kinds of transport charges, including metro services and toll tax, across the country. This interoperable transport card runs on RuPay card and would allow the holders to pay for their bus travel, toll taxes, parking charges, retail shopping, and even withdraw money.
ਮੋਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇਸ਼ 'ਚ ਨਵੀਂ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਤਹਿਤ ਕਾਲਜਾਂ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਗ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ 400 ਕਰੋੜ ਰੁਪਏ ਖਰਚੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਵਿੱਤ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ 200 ਟੌਪ ਕਾਲਜਾਂ 'ਚ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਸਿਰਫ 3 ਹੀ ਕਾਲਜ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕਾਲਜਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੰਖਿਆ ਵਧਾਵੇਗੀ।
The government will bring in a new national educational policy to transform India's higher education system to one of the global best education systems. The new policy proposes major changes in both school and higher education, among others, better governance systems, and brings greater focus on research and innovation. We propose to establish a national research foundation to fund, to coordinate, and to promote research in the country. NRF, or the National Research Foundation, will assimilate the research grants being given by various ministries independent of each other. NRF will ensure that the overall research ecosystem in the country is strengthened with focus on identified thrust areas relevant to our national priorities and towards basic science without duplication of effort and expenditure. We would work out a very progressive and research-oriented structure for the NRF itself. The funds available with all ministries will be integrated in NRF. This would be adequately supplemented with additional funds. Massive online open courses through Swayam initiative have helped bridge the digital divide for disadvantaged section of our student community. To upgrade the quality of teaching, the global initiative of academic networks, GYAN program in higher education was started, aimed at tapping the global pool of scientists and researchers.